Okay.
Hello, I'm Brandon Jackson, Chief Information Officer with Gaston County. A couple of years ago, Gaston County's Building Inspections Department had an important need for automation. We had a highly paper-dependent process that required our inspectors to visit the office at the beginning of each day to get paper itineraries, and then return at the end of the day to turn in their handwritten inspection result paperwork. Overall, a loss of 10 hours inspection time each week per inspector. While some information was available real-time to the public, we weren't offering everything that we needed to in a way that was very usable. Our Inspection Central project modernized our building inspections processes. Our building inspectors no longer come to the office. All their work is completed from the field. Fuel costs have been reduced. Third-party software costs have been eliminated. And now all the information is available to the public in real time. Our investments in the project? 15 ultramobile PCs, 15 Bluetooth printers, and existing staff time and expertise. Inspection Central was developed in-house at Gaston County by Barry Crenshaw, Richard Dodd, and Robert Peterson. Lead developer Richard Dodd is going to give you a tour of the application.
The Inspection Central project has multiple components. A field application, which is used by the building inspectors. A web application for administering user accounts and lookup data required by the field application. A web application used by contractors and the public to inquire about their permits and inspections and to schedule new inspections. And finally, an automated process to generate inspection result documents to be archived in the County Digital Document Archive. The field application relies on the following components. Inspectors carry an ultramobile PC running a Windows operating system. The PC is mounted in a hardened case and also has an accompanying Bluetooth printer. The application running on the PC talks to a public-facing web service which relays communications into the county network to a second web service. This second web service houses business logic and talks to the main inspections database residing on an IBM System I server. The service also accesses a second database residing in a separate SQL Server database on a Windows server. Users start their day by powering up their field devices and logging into the application. Itineraries are then downloaded. Supervisors then assign any unassigned inspections to the available inspectors. Once the inspectors have downloaded their itineraries, they can review the workday ahead. Special symbols indicate sites where the contractors have provided special instructions and where there have been previous inspection failures. Here, the inspector is checking the contractor's special instructions. Here, the inspector is reviewing items that did not pass a previous inspection. For unfamiliar addresses, the inspector can see a map showing the address. Once the inspector arrives on a job site, pictures can be taken to capture the current status of the project. Those pictures are sent back to the main database and kept for future reference. The inspector can choose to approve or disapprove the inspection. For flagrant or repeat violations, fees can be assessed. To minimize data entry when documenting problems, the inspector can choose verbiage detailing commonly experienced problems from predefined lists. Where more detail is needed, the inspector can enter their own notes. A paper copy of the inspection result is printed and left on site for the contractor. As inspections are completed, the results are sent to the main inspection system as soon as connectivity allows. Those results are then immediately available to contractors via Building Inspections web application. Here, a contractor is looking up a permit via its permit ID. They can view details about the permit. They can directly access the county document repository and view the original permit documents. Information about all inspections related to the permit is available to the contractor. Contractors can schedule inspections. After specifying the permit, the contractor chooses the inspection type. They then provide contact information and any special instructions to the inspector.
Inspection Central has saved Gaston County over $190,000 per year, while at the same time improve service to Gaston County citizens. It's a terrific example of how technology can be used to gain efficiency.